2018 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid, one reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 mpg rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, CD player, trip computer, rear window defroster, fog lights, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.